Hello friends, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to see another important interview questions to find the words and their numbers of occurrence in the string. So basically interviewer wants to know if you know the string manipulation well or not. So let's see what does it mean to find the words and their numbers of occurrences in the string. So let's say this is the string butter, bread, and butter. So if you see in this string, we have a 4 words, right? Butter, first, bread, second, third, and fourth is the butter. So what the output are getting expected? Let's see the first word butter. So the number of occurrence of this butter. So butter is coming, butter is the first word. This is the first times that is occurring, and this is the second time. So output should be butter 2. If you see the bread in this string, bread word is occurrence is 1, then 1. And so and occurrence in this string is 1. So output should come this. So how will you write the program? So if you see here, let's now first go through the algorithm or pseudocode, how will you be writing this? So if you see this string, butter, bread, and butter, this is the one string. First, you will have to split this string into the words and you will have to put into the string array. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So string array size will be the 4. Okay, so string 0 will store, array will store the butter, 1 is bread, like so on. And thereafter, if you see in Excel how I have written here, so it looks like it's the key and it's the value. Then after taking this into the string array, you will have to loop the strings and you will have to find the first word. Okay, and you will have to find that word if the present in the map. Okay, and in this map, it occurrence is already available, then increment that or put it 1. Right, so see how we can write this into the code. So this is the first main application that I'm calling the duplicate word in a string and passing the butter, bread, and butter. Java is Java again. So these 3 examples I am taking as of now. So let's see the first only at this point of time. If you see the duplicate word in string method are getting called. So here, so string I am passing here butter, bread, and butter, right? So what I told you, we'll have to split the input string into the words. So how will you split? Input string dot split. So split, we are doing the split based upon the space that we have given, right? So if you see here in this butter and bread, there is a space. So based upon the space, we are splitting and we are putting into the string array. So string 0 will contain the butter, 1 will contain the bread, third will contain the and fourth will contain the butter. Now, after splitting the input string into words and storing into the string array, we'll creating a hash map, right? To stores the key value pair. So key is a string which will contain the words and the value is the integer which will contain the total number of count of that word in a string, right? And thereafter, if you see here in this line, I have stored all the splitted words into the string array, right? So just I am looping that string array, which is the words now. Here, if you see here, one by one, each loop, I am taking the first word and putting into the string word. And if this word is the part of the hash map, okay, how will you check if this is the part of hash map or not? Word count. If you see here, word count is the hash map object. So word count dot contains key. I am checking here if that word are in the key of that hash map. Okay, then only increment that value. Don't store that, increment that, right? Anyway, if you are storing even, it will be overwritten. So in the first case, if you see here, butter, the first loop, this will not get true because the butter, this is the butter, is not we have stored yet in the hash map in the word count. So it will go to the else and it will put word count dot put word dot lowercase comma one, because this is the butter is the first time that we are getting, right? One. So in the hash map we have a only one key, that is butter, right? As of now. Thereafter, it will go to, another time, it will take another string. Another string is bread. So bread in this line, if you see, this bread will not got found in the word count, since this is the first time coming into the string. Then it will go again, it will put one here. Third time a and will come. So and also this code will not get executed since and is not in the hash map still. So and is also get one. It will stores into the key as a word, and one value will get stored over here. Again time, if you the last is butter will come over here. If you check in this line, is butter are present in the is butter key are in the hash map? Yes, it's there. So what it will do, it will put word dot to lowercase. Obviously, it's a key, then it will overwritten, and we are taking the value of the existing value, key value from the key value pair and incrementing one. So now it's getting become two. So the same way it will get executed. And if you print this, okay, word count, then it will give you the exactly this value. So if you see here, same case for this Java is Java again. So it will check again, it will split and put into the string array. We'll again go through and we'll start putting into the hash, and before putting we'll check if that word are in the hash map or not. So let's run this. If you see here, butter is 2, 1, 1. If you come here, butter in this word, butter are coming 2 times, then 2, bread 1, 1, and 1, 1, right? In this case, in this line, if you see, right? If you run this again, Java is 3 times in this string. Okay, again is the 1 times and is the 1 time. If you see in this line, He-Man, Batman, Spider-Man, Superman. So he is the word that we are getting here. So if you see all these lines, super is the 1 times, bat is the 1, man is the 4 times, he is the 1 time, spider is the 1 time. So this is how it's getting, right? Key value pair are getting overridden. So this is the all that we will have to practice with the split. So whenever the questions are coming like for the string manipulations to play with the words out of the string. So first we'll have to think about splitting the words and putting into the string array, and thereafter, based upon the, the requirement and the ask, you will have to choose the collections. So that's all, guys. So please subscribe this channel, like this channel. Okay, and see you in the next step. Bye bye.